calm is the highest achievement of the self. Myself, Yuvraj, pursuing second year BTech Food Technology in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I am from Tirupur and I choose BTech Food Technology because I am eagerly interested in the seafood processing, product analysis and manufacturing of products. Education is one of the most global in the world and many scopes and also innovation. In our college have main 5 pillars. They are students knowledge growth and discipline and self growth. CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching. In CLT I learned basics of C++ and basics of Python and now I learned basics of Java and also learned aptitude in prepping staff for my placement training. CFC, Center for Creativity. In CFC I have secured third prize win in JCT College poster presentation. And many colleges I conducted paper presentation like Kalpagam IA Education of Technology, Kalpagam Institute of Technology. IIPC. In IIPC, I have attended intensive in Arvin at Pegunturai, Erode. And I have visited the sugar industry in Sakti. To know more about me, follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.